Paper.
Yeah.
Where did it come from? No one knows. Today we've got Wingers and Dingers with us. We're gonna be the pioneers. We're gonna be the not Walter White, the family.
The Wright brothers.
The Walt bros.
It's the Wright brothers.
White brothers.
Did you say the Warner Brothers?
Now, did the White brothers make...
Right.
Right, we need to do this again. This is so. But you say it.
No, it's fine. It's good.
Right, do
It's
one more,
good.
Wait, one more time. One more time.
Good.
Audio sync.
It's good. Don't audio sync again. It's good. Don't audio sync. No, it's good. Stop. 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 No, don't.
Right, just do one more time. One more time.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Alright, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do it myself.
That is funny.
Paper. Today we're making paper airplanes. Yeah.
That actually flew quite well.
Yeah. It landed as well. Hey.
Very easy.
Look at my grip.
God, what have you done already?
Wait, what if my employer sees this? He's trying to
Like 4 years down the line, we're gonna be like a job.
I'm starting next month, don't I?
Yes, you
It's like
are.
going like do your background check. What the hell is this guy doing?
No, did the Wright brothers make paper airplanes in a day?
No.
No, but we are. We're gonna use paper airplanes. They used wood. That's not a lot of paper. It's better. It's better.
Same thing.
Yeah, it's same sauce.
Yeah.
Material.
Atoms and stuff.
Now we're gonna make 3 paper airplanes. Whoever is better will boast. We'll get the boasting privileges.
Bragging rights.
Bragging
And
rights, that's
a new car.
A new car?
If you win this challenge, you get a Lamborghini Huracan. What do you call them? Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
Whoa.
Courtesy of Dom.
I don't think our budget was.
And this video is sponsored by Rain Shadow.
We have 5 seconds, 1 minute and 10 minutes to make a paper airplane of our
Bidding.
bidding. That's good.
That's not the right word.
Okay,
Timer.
You need your paper each.
Yeah, I'm gonna set time.
That's cheating.
oh, so good! No! No!
How long's it?
Alright.
That's awful.
No, it's just so we know it's finished. You can.
No, I'll edit a new one. I'll edit a new
Right,
one.
no, I'll change the sound. Hang on.
Idiot. Why does it need the paper?
Sound.
You've already got one.
What's a better one?
Think about ice cream.
Pick up the phone. Come on. The giant enemy spider.
Right. 5 seconds. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, ahead of me. God, no.
The giant enemy spider.
Stop.
Oh. When do you think of my name? Like, think of my name.
The SS. Crumply.
Oh. The disappointment.
Steak.
Steak. This is the disappointment.
And you might let
That's
it
really cool, me edit.
Alright.
I'll put it for a
1 minute one. Let's go.
No, no, we need to.
Ready.
Time,
1 minute.
You're fucking slow.
Alright.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No.
The giant enemy
No!
spider.
I'm just gonna finish it. Shut up, German. Right, that's fine.
Okay, right, Ollie, you go first.
This is the Viper. And it's a cool airplane.
This is called the Tiger.
Angry Birds.
Why Angry Birds?
Mine looks pretty cool.
Mine's,
Yeah, yours looks
mine's
sick.
awful. I don't know what I was doing.
Oh my god, that was sick. No, I went backwards.
Sucker Dom is absolute garbage.
No, that's not true. That's not true. 8 minutes designing and making and doing the craft. What are you? You're cheating already. 8 minutes making, 2 minutes designing, making it look. Wow. Right, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait.
The giant enemy spider.
Are you kidding me? rip me off.
I did not rip you
Look at
off.
that.
No,
Look at mine
mine
about
was
the fingernail on the
cooler.
back of it.
Mine was cooler. 3, 2, 1, bam!
The giant enemy spider.
Ignore it, ignore it, ignore it.
No, what do you mean ignore? No. You stop. Right. I'll go first.
Mine is called the Star Glider, and it's got like a star on it.
Oh, that's cool.
It's called Inferno.
Mine can be called
Egg.
So we're gonna be rating the planes that we made out of 3 things. Number 1,
Flight speed.
flight speed. Remember, agreed on speed.
No, speed. Sorry, I meant flight time.
How do we measure time?
What? 2. Smoothest of flight.
Ooh, smoothness of flight. That's a good one. So we're gonna be rating the things on 4 things: smoothness of flight, time in the air, distance,
Time in the
and
Design.
design.
You don't do time in the air.
Should we do? Oh no.
Minus time in the air. Yeah.
We're going to be rating out of 3 things: smoothness of flight, distance travelled, and design. Should we do it all in a row?
Yeah. No, do one at a time.
You want me to go first?
The disappointment. It's going to go into that pole there. Goes to the pole.
No. I'm just yours. You go.
Goes to the pole. What?
So design 0.
Design 0.
Smoothness of flight 0. And distance.
Distance is 1. Smooth flight is.
Distance is a 2.
Nah, 1.
Alright, now my go. This is the SS Crumply.
Oh, that's not too bad for 5 seconds. That's not too bad for 5 seconds.
Smoothest
What's
of
the
flight.
design?
I said smoothest of flight. I'd give it like 3, maybe 4. Yeah. 3. I'd say.
I was what? I was 10.
3.
3, okay.
3. Design, I'd go like 2.
It's got a few squiggles on it.
What was it on? Distance.
Distance. It's much
4.
further.
I said maybe 3 or 4.
3, okay.
Right.
Divine then.
Okay, so this is steak.
Steak.
That's 1 folded ring.
There's only 1 pole. Oh wow.
Oh, you know what?
That's not too bad to be honest, is it? For 5 seconds.
Smoothness of flight, I'd say.
Well, no, it did turn a few times.
Yeah, 2.
Yeah, 2.
It's like distance 5.
Much further, yeah.
And design.
Yeah, this is awful.
What was the design? It wasn't even done. It was, one of the wings were folded. The other one wasn't.
Yeah.
The tally is currently because our planes are so much high quality. We're gonna make the distance a bit bigger. So it looks better. What?
Right, design.
Oh my god, again!
Design
Go
2.
like a 2.
2
Yeah,
minutes.
2.
Yeah.
Distance.
Do you have a claw on it?
Yeah, because look at that crumple wings as well.
Oh.
2.
Distance is probably 2.
2.
And then smoothest of flight,
1.
no.
1. Yeah.
So I've got 2, 2 and a 1. What a scam!
This is the Viper. It's it looks like this.
Oh, that was sick!
Yeah.
That was smooth!
Smoothest of flight 5.
Yeah.
That was beautiful. Actually, no, maybe 4. Because he kind of dipped at the end. It was smooth and smooth.
Okay,
Distance 5.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
Actually, no. Should we say distance is 5 when it's past it?
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
so 4
so
then.
4. And then design.
Design. Like it's got a guy in it, and look at the how it looks.
Yeah, I'd say like 4. Pretty good.
4?
Yeah.
Roblox Angry Birds.
Go on.
3 for distance.
Yeah.
3 is the flight. 2.
Oh, come on, it was smooth, but it killed
3.
it.
Yeah. 3.
And then
design.
There's no design.
Design.
It's just its name.
It looks cool though.
What?
It's got like
Oh,
the cool.
okay,
It's got like the cool.
I'll
Yeah. 2.
This is the Inferno.
If that actually flies more than an inch,
Look how cool that looks.
it'll fly better over that hinge. Watch. As expected. Smooth as a flight.
3. No, 3.
Right, that was 3, yeah.
It was
It was smooth.
Alright, go on.
Distance 1 and design 2.
2? Are you out of your mind? Look at that.
Alright, I was my go now. This is a Star Glider. It's got a star on it. And a star's there. It's got flames coming out the back, but it's a bit better version of John's pretty much. He copied me.
distance of flight.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
Design 5. That's really cool. Design.
yeah, it is quite cool to be honest.
And then distance maybe 3.
It doesn't fly properly, but it looks
It looks,
awesome.
oh yeah, definitely.
It does look good.
5 for design and
Yeah.
3 for distance. 1 for smooth flight.
Omelette. It has
Omelette.
has bombs.
Oh, that was actually quite good to me. That was quite
Smoothness
good.
of flight 4. Legit.
Yeah, yeah.
Design 3 and distance 4.
Yeah, I like that. The total results are bow bow bow. Oh, there's one.
Wait, ending transition gone. Oh no! Oh!